Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thank you for joining. This video will guide you through a quick recipe that will definitely bring back moisture and definition to your hair, plus giving you an extra boost of softness and shine. The recipe starts with organic amla that is known to promote growth, but most importantly, helps to maintain your curl pattern and add in volume. Just like amla, fenugreek helps to promote growth and stop hair loss, but the herb will help to moisturize and condition your dry hair, giving a silky feel and adding shine. For this mixture, more water will give it a looser texture, less water will make it very thick. I prefer it on the thick side, but some people may prefer it on the thinner side. And of course, the star of the mix, good old Chebe oil, which we use to help seal in moisture, giving strength to the hair strand. This recipe for the oil is linked on top of the video, or you can open the description box. To begin, I'm going in on dirty hair. You guys can of course use this on clean hair, but when I do my mixes, I prefer to pre-poo. That's a pre-conditioned treatment before the shampoo on dirty hair. All you do is dampen the hair with some type of liquid. You can use aloe vera juice, your homemade DIY hair juice. I have a bunch of recipes on my channel, or good old water. Make sure you work in small sections and apply the mixture starting from the ends, working your way up. But remember, if you're adding the Chebe oil into the mixture, it does not go on your scalp. Chebe is not for the scalp, it's for the hair strands. And to seal everything in, I'm going in with an extra amount of Chebe oil, working all the way through the hair, the ends, the top, all over, but nothing will touch the scalp. After this, everything will be sectioned and twisted up. She will have a plastic cap on her head, and my sister's gonna sit for about, I believe she sat for about 30 to 40 minutes. My sister does not she's not about all this, so she was really kind enough for me to do her hair, but she pretty much sat for, I think, about 30 to 40 minutes. You guys can use a hooded dryer or just a plastic cap or even a hooded steamer if you have. That would definitely boost this up and really penetrate your hair strands. And then you can go in with a shampoo and a deep conditioner, or even just a shampoo and style. Either way, the definition is going to be real. And here it is. Her hair has been shampooed twice. My sister was not ready to do any type of deep conditioner or even a quick conditioner. She was over it. So these are her results. There's no product on her hair. It's been shampooed. Guys, the facts don't lie, right? You see the definition, you can see the shine. Her hair is super soft. The curls are popping. Let me know in the comment section, guys, because we all know the benefits of Chebe, especially Amla and Fenugreek. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.